Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell, because reasons. Let's rock.
At least this purchase I can actually justify. I need one. Get a knife.
So that ought to make things a little easier. I've wanted one of these for years. It's not a radial arm. I don't need that. And 7.5, it can still do a 2x4. But that's what I needed. Bang, 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 bang. Executive single.
This deal. Even NBA fans think this. Even some Mavericks fans think this. He has long. And then they started.
Try to make this a little safer for myself, instead of using push sticks that close to the blade. Made a pass key so it holds both sides of the cut. I don't have to worry about, I found a workaround for how cold it is in here. About a year ago, when I was going through physical therapy, came across this little thing. It's a heating pad for your neck and shoulders. There it is. There you go. Of course, why wouldn't it happen on camera? Plug it in and carry about 9 feet of cord with me. Much better. We'll be in about 2 minutes. Hey, that only took a minute and a half.
This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe. Comment if you need to. Links for things are down there where I keep the linky stuff. Notification bell because of reasons. I do thank you for watching. I do thank you for your time. Bye.